Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can get trending what do you meme filter on Instagram. It's really easy, so let me show you how. So first what you need to do here is to of course open Instagram and then press on little search button that is on the bottom, and then just write, as you can see here, what do you meme. Press on what do you meme and with the check mark, and then you will end up on this page, and then press on the emoji button that is here, as you can see here, and the first option is what do you meme. So press on that, try it, and as you can see here, it's working perfectly fine. So what you need to do here is tap and hold to record button to start. So as you can see here, it's working perfectly fine. So guys, that's pretty much it. If I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care, bye.